Ano-ano po ba yung mga challenges na kinakaharap ng mga Pilipinong CPA sa pag-a-apply bilang ASEAN CPA?
Madalas na nakikita po namin right now, hindi sila aware na may ganito.
Talaga?
Of course, yeah. Konti lang kami right now in the list of PRC. If you check the website, makikita nyo konti lang kami. And there are very few of us. No, I don't understand why. But maybe information dissemination or maybe they see that they don't need it right now. Sa akin kasi, it's something that needs to be shared so that again, the opportunity is there. Because we don't know if ever in the future, we will be thinking of going outside and taking this opportunity, yung talent natin, to other ASEAN countries, and this allows us to operate very conveniently and diligently. In addition to that, as an ASEAN CPA, you are given, nakikita nyo po ba yung pagpupunta kayo sa natin, pag mag-exit na kayo and buta kayo sa tagag dito, yung sa immigration. And then there is this ASEAN na nakalagay
ASEAN
na lane.
Okay.
Actually, if you're an ASEAN CPA, you can go there together with your family. You will be given the same benefit or yung mga tinatawag na diplomacy as a diplomat. So
PCCI
Yes, actually PCCI. We actually have that, right?
Yeah.
So meron din ako noon. Actually may idea ko eh. So I use that para mabilis.